To draw a squid, you only need 3 simple shapes: a circle, a cylinder, and a rectangle. The circle represents the head of the squid and is the main shape to which the cylinder and the rectangle are attached. How you bring these shapes together determines the position of the squid. My hand symbolizes the cylinder here. It represents the body of the squid. You can place the cylinder anywhere on the circle, which will be the head. In this way, you determine the direction in which the squid moves. My other hand symbolizes the rectangle. This is the base from which the tentacles and the arms grow on the head. This rectangle will always be opposite the cylinder. Once you have drawn these 3 shapes, you can mark the position of the details such as the squid's eyes and arms. A squid usually has large eyes. It has 2 long tentacles and 8 shorter arms. However, you don't always have to draw all the arms so as not to visually overload the picture. It is often enough to only hint at arms in the background. So let's use these steps to draw a squid in a different position. I'll start with the circle again. This time I place the cylinder in a different position. At the same time, I mark the 2 fins at the top of the body. Then I place the rectangle opposite to create a new viewing angle for my squid. Now I mark the position of the eyes and the tentacles, as well as the arms. I work out the arms a little with another pencil, which will make it easier for me to ink them afterwards. The arms of the squid can be difficult at first. As always, practice is key here, but it's fun to get to grips with them. In the future, I will make a video specifically about the arms. For now, I leave out the suction cups for simplicity. As mentioned, you can also draw the arms in a simplified way so as not to make the picture unnecessarily complicated and visually overloaded. It is best to start drawing the arms that are closest to the observer in the foreground first. This will prevent you from accidentally painting over them with the other arms. It can be sometimes difficult to keep track of all the arms. When my basic sketch is finished, I like to sketch the lines with a thin fineliner first. In this squid, I draw a flap of skin under which the arms grow out, like in an octopus. After drawing it, I realized that this flap of skin is missing in squids. So let's just pass that off as creative freedom. After I've drawn the guidelines, I trace the outlines with ink. I use a thin brush pen for this. Then I draw in a little shadow with a grey toned marker to give the squid more plasticity. Your drawing process will of course be different from mine. The important part here is the interplay of the circle, cylinder and rectangle, which enables you to draw many beautiful squids with more ease. So have fun and see you next time.